Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your region on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on My Account at the top right section and click on Settings. Now from the settings page, you will see your country or region. However, you cannot click on this in order to change it. So if you wish to change your region, you will need to change this for the respective games. Click on the support option at the top section, and now from the support page, you will see the transfer region option along with the games within which this is available. Just click on this button for the appropriate game, and now you will see the instructions which tells you that you can update your region of residence. If you haven't logged in already, you will see the login button instead of check. After logging in, click on the check button and this will assign your residence based on your location. If you wish to change this manually, then you will need to send a support email. Click on submit a ticket at the top section, and now within the request type section, you can choose the in-game question option. Finally, choose your platform and then within the subject section, just type in that your region is incorrect. Now within the subject of your inquiry, choose the first option and then within the other drop-down menu, choose the other option. Finally, within the description section, just enter that your country or region is incorrect and you wish to correct this. You can then send an attachment if you have one by uploading it. Finally, click on the submit button and this will send your support email to the Riot Games support team. Just wait for the response and you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to have your region changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your region on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.